Namaste. Welcome to the digital channel of Dr.S.D.Vartak Vidyalaya, popularly known as जनसामान्यांची सर्वमान्य शाळा.
Subject Science, Lesson number 2, The Living World. Hello student. Nature is full of wonderful things. Some of them are living things, or while other things we said that non-living things. How can you tell anything if it is living things or non-living things? Here we can study some characteristics of living things so that we can identify the living things. First, growth. Every living organism have ability to grow. A baby grows into adult over a period of time. Young one of birds also become adult over a time. Seeds germinates to form a young plant which grows into mature plant which bears flowers then fruits. These are all living things. Table, chair, computer, they do not grow even after many years. So they are called as non-living thing. Second, respiration. It is an important characteristics of living thing. The process of obtaining oxygen, using it for energy production in the body and removing carbon dioxide. Fish obtain oxygen dissolved in water using gills. Single cell organisms obtain oxygen by diffusion method. Different animals have a different way of respiration. Plant also do the respiration. Plant respire by tiny holes or stomata in their leaves. Next, reproduction. The process by which a living thing generates a new living thing like itself is called as the reproduction. Some animals give birth to their young ones. Some lays eggs. Their young one hatch out of the eggs. New plants are produced from the seeds, stem, or leaves of the plant. Excretion. The process of eliminating waste product from out of body is called as the excretion. The waste substances are formed during the many process that takes place in the bodies of animals. These are called as the excreta, and the process of eliminating them from the body is called as the excretion. Animals have a specific organs for excretion. Plants also do the excretion. For example, some plants shed leaves in a specific season. Waste substances stored in the leaves of the plant are shed along with the leaves. Next, a definite lifespan. At a certain stage of life, living thing becomes capable of reproduction. Later on in the life reproduction stage, their organs become weak and still later their life comes to an end. In other words, living things die. The lifespan of different animals and the plants are different. Means a definite lifespan is a time period from birth to death is a lifespan. The lifespan of dog is about 12 to 18 years, while the ostrich lives for 50 years. Responsiveness to stimuli and movement. Every living thing acts in a various way when responding to a stimulus. A creeper planted in the courtyard leans toward the support. A potted plant placed in the window grows toward the sunlight. It means that plants too show the movement. Living things also move their own accord. The movement of or change taking place in the living things at a such a time is their response to a stimulus. An event that occurs in our surrounding is a stimulus. The ability of living thing to respond to a stimulus is called as the responsiveness to stimuli. A cellular structure. Living things are made up of small units called cells. All the actions and the process in the bodies of the living things are brought about with the help of these microscopic cells. Some living things are made up of single cell. These are called as the unicellular organism. On the other hand, the living things that are made up of many cells are called as the multicellular organism. The amoeba and some other microorganisms are unicellular, while man, cow, mouse, cockroach, elephant, banyan trees are the multicellular organisms. These are the all characteristics of living things. Non-living thing does not show these characteristics. Thank you.
Please like and subscribe the channel.